Hello everyone. Let us begin a new topic today, environmental management system. So, what is environmental management system? It is a structured framework that helps an institution or organizations to manage its environmental responsibility in a systematic, transparent and sustainable way. So, it is a structured framework which helps. Here we have to mark this point, how EMS is going to help to any organization or institutions as far as the environment management is concerned. In the context of university, though EMS is applicable for industry, for any institutions, colleges, organizations, or university, but we are going to focus mostly on the university. So, in the context of university, an EMS aims to minimize the negative environmental impacts of the campus activities such as energy use, waste generation in the university, transportation system, and water consumption in the university, while promoting environmental education and sustainable practices among students and staff. So, what are the objectives of environmental management system in universities? So, first objective of EMS, reduce environmental impact. That means to reduce pollution, waste, carbon emission from the university operations. Ensure legal compliance, to comply with the environmental laws and regulations of India, such as Environmental Protection Act 1986 and Solid Waste Management Rules 2016. It promotes sustainability. EMS, Environmental Management System, promote sustainability. It is also one of the objectives of EMS to encourage sustainable use of natural resources like water, electricity, and paper, which we have been using in university. Environmental awareness, to create awareness among students and staff about environmental protection and sustainability. Continuous improvement is required for the environmental management. For this, to monitor, review, and improve environmental performance regularly in the university campus. So, next topic is, what are the key components of environmental management system in a university? So, first component is the environmental policy. Here, I would like to say, we are talking especially about the university campus, the environmental management system for a university. So, every university must have their environmental policy, how they have to manage their environmental problems generated in the campus by different activities. So, environmental policy, what it says that the university should develop an environmental policy stating its commitment to sustainability, pollution prevention, and legal compliance. Example, the university will attempt to become a carbon neutral campus by reducing energy use and promoting renewable energy. What do you mean by carbon neutral campus means what? It is also called as a net zero carbon campus. A carbon neutral campus is a university or educational institution that balances. What balances are there? Whatever the amount of carbon dioxides are going to be generated from the university campus, right, or emitted from the university campus, it should be equal to the amount which we have to remove in the campus by different activities, right? We shall also discuss that point later. So, what it says that a carbon neutral campus is a university or educational institution that balances the amount of carbon dioxide it emits with the amount it removes or offset, so that its net carbon emission are zero. So, what are the various sources through which the CO2 or greenhouse gases are going to be emitted, and how it has to be balanced, how it has to be controlled by different activities, different procedures. So this is comes under the environmental policy. Planning. Identify major environmental aspects: energy use, water, waste generation, transport facility, biodiversity in the campus. Assess potential environmental impacts. Set measurable objectives and targets. Reduce paper use 25% in 1 year. So this has to be also taken care of while preparing the environmental policy. So these are the key components, environmental policy. Next is the planning. What planning the university management has to carry out. The next key components of EMS in a university is the implementation and operation. Form an environmental management committee in which faculty, students, and other staff should be included. Implement waste segregations, rainwater harvesting system, green campus initiatives, right? Provide training and awareness programs. This comes under the key components of the EMS. Monitoring and measurements, regularly check energy and water consumption, audit waste management and pollution control measures, conduct environmental audits and publish reports, review and improvements. Management reviews the EMS performance annually, update policies and target based on audit results and new environmental challenges. Policy, whatever the environmental policy we have, all these key components should be incorporated. What are the problems? What the solutions we are going to think for the control of the environmental pollution, and that means what activities we are going to perform for the environmental management. So these are the key components of the EMS, environmental management system. We can see here EMS certification to ISO 14001:2015 helps organization to achieve real cost saving. It helps in real cost saving. EMS has four main components, forming a continuous improvement cycle known as PDCA: plan, do, check, act. If this cycle is followed constantly, it leads to continuous improvement of gradation of the system. You can see this diagram. Environmental management system should be maintained in the university. What plan we have to make, formulate, plan, then do, check, and act. This should be continuously maintained. So what do you mean by plan here? Identify environmental aspects in the university campus, legal requirements as far as the environment is concerned, and set objectives and targets for improvements. This comes under the plan. Second is the do. Implement the plans. That comes under the do through training, operational controls, and communications. The third one is the check. Check means monitor and measure progress through audits and evaluations. Then act. Take corrective actions and make necessary changes to enhance the system. If this cycle, PDCA, is followed constantly, I would like to say it leads to continuous improvement and upgradation of the environmental management system, PDCA. Next, we can see what do you mean by ISO 14001 2015, 14001 2015. ISO 14001 2015 is an international standard that provides the framework for an environmental management system. It helps organizations to manage their environmental responsibility in a systematic way that contributes to sustainability. So the ISO has its own framework that has to be followed by the universities or any organization or institution. The ISO 14001:2015 certification is awarded to organizations that have successfully implemented and maintained an EMS in place. In place means in the campus, according to the requirements set by the in ISO, International Organization for Standards. It shows that ISO 14000-2015 certification, what it says that it shows that the organization means university here identifies, controls, monitors, and continuously improves its environmental performance while complying with legal and regulatory requirements. So, what are the benefits of ISO 14001-2015 certification for any organization, which may be university or industry? Reduce waste, energy, and resource use, improve environmental performance and compliance, enhance the reputation and stakeholder trust, encourages a culture of sustainability and responsibility, increases job satisfaction and performance of the staff, faculty by providing healthy and safe dwelling in the university campus. Everyone staying in the university campus and in neighborhood gets benefited by the ISO 14001-2015 certification. It shows that the university has completely maintained the environmental management system in their campus. So we can see where this ISO 14001-2015 certification is applicable. We can say this standard can be applied to any organization, universities, industries, hospitals, or government bodies, regardless of size or location. Whatever the size of the organization, where it is located, it does not matter, but it is applicable for all. But here we are talking only about the university. So next, I would like to talk about the Indian university. I have being a faculty in university and the colleges, engineering colleges. I would like to tell you that I have personally seen the various EMS practices which are being followed in the different universities in our country, in India. So first, I would like to tell you, as far as the solid waste management. Solid waste management, the university in their campus have different facility for the solid waste management. For example, curb collection. That means it refers to waste management system where student, staff, and faculty place sorted waste such as recyclable, organic waste, general refuse at a designated curbside locations for scheduled collection by the campus manager. This comes from the curb collection. So these facilities are also available in the university campus. Vermicompost, it refers to nutrient-rich organic fertilizers and soil conditioner produced by the biological process of vermicomposting, which uses earthworms to break down the organic waste into the high-quality nutrient-dense materials. So after making the vermicompost, that is the nutrient-rich organic fertilizers, this is used in the gardens of the university or in the university campus. So vermicompost facility is also there in the university, in many university. NADAP method of composting is also available. The NADAP, it was the first invented by a farmer named Narayan Devta Pandhari Pandey. Method of composting is aerobic process used in university to convert organic waste like crop residues or the leaves of the plants or kitchen scraps into rich organic fertilizer within a specially built brick tank. I have seen that this NADAP method of composting is carried out in the brick tank. The university in the campus itself, the university has constructed a brick tank where this type of composting is carried out. And the segregated waste, the Nagar Nigam is also contributing a lot in the disposal of the waste generated from the university campus. The rubbish waste like plastic, thermocol, glass bottle, etc. are collected and transported by the Nagar Nigam of the different city where the universities are located. Biogas plant is also available in many universities, which treat the kitchen waste for electricity generation, heating and cooking purpose in the kitchen. The next solid waste management in the university, because many schools, the dental colleges are there, the medical colleges are there. In that case, whatever the biomedical waste are going to be generated, the wastes are kept in different colors, different color bins like yellow, red, blue, and greens. Finally, it is sent to the biomedical waste treatment plant for its final treatment or disposal. E-waste is also generated in the university campus, which is collected in a proper way and supplied to the company for reprocessing or the safe disposal. The next waste which I have seen uh, generation of liquid waste in the campus. So how they are managing the liquid waste? The wastewater generated from the faculty, staff, and students' washrooms are treated by the sewage treatment plants, which are available in the campus. The treated wastewater are used for the irrigation in the campus itself. So next, the EMS practices which are followed in the university campus is the energy conservation. Solar energy generation by the installing solar panels. Many universities and colleges, they have installed the solar panel on the roof of their building. Biogas plant, they have also installed in the campus. They are using the LED bulbs, power efficient equipment they have also been using. And they are also encouraging students to for energy saving, their energy saving behavior among the students and the staff. They are also encouraging to the students as far as the energy conservation is concerned. So next, water conservation. This is also followed in many university campuses. Rainwater harvesting, construction of tanks and bunds. They have already constructed inside the campus to store the rainwaters. Wastewater recycling, maintenance of water bodies and distribution system in the campus. Sensor-based water tap they have also installed in the university building. Promoting sustainable transports. The students have been using cycling. Even the faculty has also been using cycling, walking. Electric vehicles are also being used in university campus. Other things which we have also found in the university campus, they are promoting waste segregations, implement green campus initiatives, conduct green audits time to time, reduce single-use plastics, and promote biodiversity on the campus. So what we have seen in this topic, that means what we have studied now. What is EMS, environmental management systems? What are the objectives of environmental management system in a university? Key components of environmental management systems. Role of ISO 14001 2015. What is ISO 14001 2015? What is PDCA? What are the benefits of ISO 14001 2015? Where the environmental management systems are applicable, and how environmental management systems are being practiced in different universities. That we have discussed in this lecture. Thank you.